Hey guys, it's time for another round table here where we bring the forums to life right here on American Air Gunner. Today I'm joined by our air gun scientist, Joe Brancato. We got Rick Ward, the urban air gunner, and of course our all around the world hunter and rider. We got Jim Chapman, guys. All right, so I want to put this to rest once and for all. When it comes to big game, what is the efficiency of big bore air guns hunting big game?
It depends.
There you go.
But you know what? If you get the right gun that's set up right, shooting the right projectile, they're very efficient. I mean, if you're going out after deer-sized game at 100 yards and you've got a gun that's putting out, say, 400 foot-pound, you're completely okay going out 75, 100 yards with that gun on that animal.
How many 40 caliber or above guns are out there putting out 400 plus foot-pounds?
Getting to be more every year.
There's a handful. I mean, I shoot a 45 caliber, so. For me, I mean, it produces up to 500 foot-pounds, but I don't ever shoot a big enough projectile to make that happen. I mean, I shoot a little bit lighter bullet, and I'm like Jim, my ranges are in so much closer. I mean, I know that I can reach out there, but that's not the point of what I do. I mean, I hunt for meat. Yeah. We want deer in the freezer as much as we can. Sure. And so it's all about, you know, taking that animal quick.
When it comes to taking a deer or deer-sized game, how much energy, what do you need on impact generally to kill a deer? Like cleanly?
I'd say 250, 300 foot-pound is what I feel comfortable with. I mean, I've shot probably since it's been legal, and if I count the exotic deer I've probably shot about 40 or 50 deer. And it really has been dependent on the gun I've used. I mean, sometimes I would answer you, 100 yards is fine, 125 yards is fine. Other times with other guns, I say it shouldn't be any further than 50, 55 yards. It depends on it.
You can find the information that your gun does. The foot-pounds, the energy, the velocity, what size pellets, good for you, what works, and sometimes it's not so much about you, but what you can take game with cleanly, consistently.
Consistently humane is the word we've been saying lately.
There you go, consistently humane.
Real quick, an interjection, the one thing that you can do to test your gun, ballistics gel is not that expensive anymore. It's come way down. And I know that I took real world shots with mine at 50 yards. And through a 12 or 16 inch long piece of gel, it went straight through it. That is something that you know that you're going to go through that deer.
Right. If I could add just one short thing, set your expectation. I mean, if you've got a gun that's at the lower power range, say you've got a gun that's doing 200 or 250, it doesn't mean you can't go out deer hunting or you can't hunt a hog, but set your expectation. Know that I'm not going to go out and shoot a 100 or 150 yard deer. I'm going to use this gun. I know it's at the marginal side of the power, so I'm going to keep my range dialed into 50 yards. Then you're ethical. Go out and do it. It's that you've got to use common sense. It's when you get out there and you take a gun that's on a marginal level and then you try to stretch out. That's when you're getting into that gray zone of whether it's an ethical shot or not.
How much impact does the length of a barrel have on how much velocity you're getting out of a projectile?
It has everything to do with it.
It's kind of it's a balance.
Right.
There's a balance between air usage, the valving, and everything.
Why is that?
Well, because you got more time to push the bullet down the barrel because there's air pressure speeding up the bullet as it goes down. You've got more time to accelerate the pellet the longer it's in a barrel.
Before it leaves the barrel.
Yeah, say you've got a short barrel and the bullet or the pellet exits the barrel before the air has expended its energy. You've wasted energy. That's the thing. You're still blowing out air. If you had a longer barrel, you'd be building up that pressure and using it to drive it further.
And the side effects of that are, A, wasted air, for one thing. B, more noise, because now you got to use in the short barrel gun a lot more air to propel that pellet. Well, when that comes out of that short barrel, that lot more air makes a lot more noise.
Once it
so
breaks
now you
the
got
end
a
of the
lot
barrel.
more louder gun.
Right.
Okay, so the guy's like, man, this gun's loud and it's, uses a lot of air. Well, if you had a longer barrel, you wouldn't have that problem.
But I mean, I think as a rule of thumb, if you have a gun with, if you're a guy that wants to go shoot a silhouette where you're going out 200, 300 yards, you're going to want a gun with a very long barrel. Now, again, and that's with what you've said, Joe. If you've got the valving set up right, and a lot of these times they'll fill up to a higher fill pressure. That makes sense. What you're talking about with the trade-off is if you're going to use it for hunting, do you really need that? If I'm going to keep my shot into 75 yards, do I need that? Or would I rather have a gun that's compact and easy to swing through the brush and to carry? So that's the kind of trade-off.
And how many shots do you need? You know,
sure.
Well, that's it. I mean, there's some guns they only put out 2 shots, but there are other guns that put out 20 shots. It depends on what you're shooting. How many shots do you want to get out of it, and what's your trade-off? Like
that's when it comes back to know your gun. You got to get out and shoot. You can't do it from the couch.
Length of barrel, velocity, which transfers to energy. I mean, it's all so amazing. One day I'm going to build the perfect gun right here on American Air Gunner. Until then, stick with us. There's a lot more coming up right after this. Are you ready to see what Jim and I can come up with on our extreme mountain trekking black bear hunting expedition? You don't want to miss this.